Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday to all. I'm back. Once again, I come to you and I want to bring you this project that I found at the thrift shop. And guys, if you don't go to the thrift shop, I think you should, because sometimes people throw out very good things they want to upgrade. They don't need the old things, so they upgrade. And by doing so, what they do is they throw away good stuff just because they can do that. So we have this shelf over here, I'm calling it. Well, it might have another name for it, but I'm just calling it a shelf. Once again, it can be used with the drawers, which is two drawers come with it, or without the drawers. And if you want to put your papers in there, your mail in there, whatever, you don't have to use the drawers. You can use the drawers for something else. But I'm going to insert the drawers back in when I finish. But one or two things that I am going to do is I'm going to paint it, right? I'm going to put my gesso on top of it first, just so I can hide this gray color here. If you don't have gesso, it's fine. If you want to, you can paint it with white paint and then paint over it with whatever color you want. We have some home decor chalk paint here, and this is coral. This is coral, and I really like this coral here. So we might be using this here, I'm not sure. And we have some other ones. These are the small ones. Here I purchased from Amazon. They come in all different colors, guys. Some really, really cute colors. Colors to be honest with you, I don't know the last time that I saw. Look at this here. What color is this? I don't have on my glasses, so I can't see that. I'm struggling. So we're going to leave that one alone. And we also have some glitter and pearl paint by Martha Stewart. Martha Stewart makes some good paint too, guys. So don't sleep on her. And then we have these three here. These are your basics right here. Well, these are your basics right here. Okay? These are the basic, and these are cute. And check this here. I love that. This is a really cute color. So, the first thing I did was I wiped this down because I had it. I was planning on doing this project for a whole year, guys. A whole year I had this just sitting around. I'm getting ideas, and it just came to me. You know what? You can make this very pretty. You can make this for a girl's room, a boy's room. You can make this either for, like I said, to put your mail in it. You could make this to sit it in any room of the house. But I'm thinking, what do I really want? What color do I really want to paint it? So I'm thinking about this coral color, right? Or this one here. You guys gotta forgive me because my glasses, I don't have them on. I can't see this, but this color I did. It's, guys, I always tell you guys, go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, find the clearance section, and look at this here. I paid $1. Let me back up some. Can't see that. Let me back this up some. Yeah. I paid $1.50 for these here. You guys know how much these was? This one here was $8.99, and I paid $1. What was it? 52 for these. Yeah, $1.52. That's the only way I would have bought these here, and they knobs. So I'm thinking about using these. And this is another set that I found. I might be using this here, especially if I use that coral. Look at this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And I paid $1.56 for these, and these were $7.80. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Look at those knobs. So please don't shy away from the clearance section at no store. Please, at none of them. Just go take a peek and see what they have here. So let's get this party started, guys.
Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your way. I'ma make a better way. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off.
guys, so we're gonna give this one here one more coat, and then we're gonna paint the other one, give the other one coat. Yeah, so let's do that. I'm just gonna show you really quick. All I did was, you know, douse the brush in some paint and just go over it just like this. I know everybody know how to paint, so this is gonna go by really quick. And I decided that I am going to use these knobs here. I think it'll go really pretty up against that. Okay guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This one here is almost done. So what we have to do here, so I'm gonna have to make holes for these beautiful knobs to go on in here. So I have this right here, then I'm gonna make the hole a little bit bigger, and hopefully the screw will be able to fit in there. So let's try it.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing.
As you can see, there was mistakes done on the top of here. Wait, I would have to bring you in. Let me bring you in. Well, you still can. Oh yeah, you can see some of it on the side there. You can still see that on the side there, all those mistakes back there. I don't know if it's a combination of putting too much of paint and then trying to go and remove the paint. I really don't know. I'm going to finish screwing this in without making all this noise, and I'll be right back.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly.
Okay guys, so we down to the finishing of our beautiful, you can call it whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it a jewelry box. I love the color. We'll have to bling it out, right guys? As you can see, I set it up already. How I want it laying across, one in the back, and we got one for right here. And I'm even thinking about putting one along here. I don't believe I have enough, so we're gonna see where this one goes. We definitely have enough for, we're gonna have enough. We're gonna have enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put it, I cut these in twos. So I'm gonna put this down.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, way.
And just be very careful because you don't want to pull it up, because I'm pretty sure that the tape will come, the paint will come with it. And guys, at the end of, when I do my mirrored look at the end of each video, you might not see it, but what I do is I clean it up with a little alcohol. That way it can bling. You have to forgive me, that's my girls in the room. So I'm gonna just put one here, and then I'm gonna have to step off and get another piece. But yeah.
Feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter Mom and Dad's only daughter.